We just got settled in here at Mountain Stream RV Park near Marion, North Carolina, and we have a beautiful site here, number 14. Most of the sites back up to a stream, and just look at this, our window, we can open that tonight, put the screen in, and this is what we get to listen to tonight while we're sleeping. Hey girls. Riley, are you happy here by the stream?
By the beautiful mountain stream.
Yeah, nice campsite here. There's our deck and picnic table. What'd you find?
I'm not sure what these are. Smells like a cross between a jasmine and a honeysuckle, but
Maybe it's mountain jasmine.
maybe. I think I might take a couple inside.
This is site 32. It doesn't back up to a stream per se, but it has these this nice walkway back to the stream where you can get in and wade and have some fun. This is the swimming hole down here by the bridge. What a great place to cool off. Here is site 19. Nobody's on it now, so I'll take you down and show you. Wow, this is a cool one because the stream kind of comes around the corner, so you just have these beautiful rapids, and I just love these giant rocks that are at an angle and the moss growing all over them. It's just very refreshing. Maybe we can even go on down there a little bit since there's nobody on the site. That was 19. This is site 20. Beautiful site. And here is 22. No one is on this one, so we'll take you back. Very peaceful. Oh yeah. Very peaceful. Cool.
He likes to have the lights on for there's a full-size fridge, microwave. We don't have a stove, but we do have 2 hot plates, so you can cook on that.
Oh, I love this countertop.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
It's really pretty.
Wow.
I love it too.
Did someone
And of
make
course
that
there's
for you
dishes.
guys, or how did you find that? That's gorgeous.
I wonder if it was custom made. I wasn't here, so I don't know how they got it. but-
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's, of course, there's dishes. You've got silverware. Everything you need
Nice
right there.
table there.
Table.
With the sun coming in from the
Yeah.
Air conditioned. That looks like your
Yeah.
dad's. Yeah.
Heating
Yeah,
and
look
cooling.
from the big what do you call it? Bubble
I
off
think
the
it would be
top.
called a skylight.
Yeah, skylight. Oh, look.
So
Oh,
the
cool.
futon
Every-
does turn into a bed as well. So you
Uh-huh.
can technically fit 4 people in here.
Okay.
And what else? The bathroom.
That's so cool. There's the bed.
Yeah.
You come right here,
Okay.
and the bathroom's really nice too.
Wow. I guess this is not really roughing it, is it?
It's not rough in it.
Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow.
The sinks are a little high. That's why we have a stool
Oh, I
for
see.
people who need a
Well, we're sorry to say goodbye to Mountain Stream
We
RV
are.
Park in Marion, North Carolina.
Had a great time here. It's our second time here, and we will be back.
Yes, yes.
The only thing I would say is that if you are a new RVer and you're not real comfortable driving your rig or pulling your fifth wheel or trailer, it is a really windy road getting in here. Like for about 4 or 5 miles if you're coming north on Route 80, and if you're coming south on Route 80 from the Blue Ridge Parkway, it's about 3 miles of really windy road. So it's not for the faint of heart. There's like drop-offs on the shoulders and stuff like that.
Be very,
now,
very careful.
There are huge rigs in here. A big fifth wheel was just pulling out. He was like 40 plus feet. You know, so people do it, but I'm just saying if it's your first camping trip with your RV, you might want to go somewhere easy first,
Yeah.
and then come here because you won't regret it.
Yeah, it's very beautiful here.
If you enjoyed this campground review, we have others for other campgrounds, and we also like to document our fun adventures. So please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys
On the road.
on the road.